As I mentioned in the last video, during 2017, that winter weather wasn't that great in Thailand, especially that area where they had tons of rain. So the trip today to Koh Phangan was based solely on the fact that it wasn't going to rain, and I was looking forward to a tour. My biggest challenge was going to be to find a taxi driver that I could trust and that was affordable. I had a surprise coming. Little did I know at that time that I was going to discover that staying on Koh Phangan for one day was nowhere close to enough. Docking seems to be an adventure. As soon as I got off the boat, I was approached by a man who said he was a taxi driver. So as I walked down the dock there looking for a nice van or something like that, I get onto the back of a motor scooter. That was my taxi for the day, and I loved it. No people on that island. Beautiful beach. Koh Phangan. This area was so beautiful that a year later, when we returned to Koh Phangan, the group, went down and had a lovely dinner here. It was beautiful. Just a little lunch spot here. My instructions when I got on my taxi was, could you take me on a tour of the island? And my driver definitely was doing that, using all the shortcuts, and I enjoyed the wind rustling through what is left of my thin hair. We're at the top edge of the island. Just beautiful spot.
Go to Samui, you know,
Okay.
in the full moon party.
Ah.
Very cheap. How much for buttercum?
My driver was explaining to me that all the new construction was because there were many ships that were coming in, and the full moon party was such a draw that they needed more room to put people. The home to the full moon party. sandy beach. Driver standing up there. Got more than I bargained for when I asked for a taxi. I was hoping car. Motor scooter. Alabac. God. Wonder how the Zeus burger is. This was a great restaurant. The food was good, the view was spectacular, and I enjoyed it so much that I went back the following year. A little less glamorous here. On the beach. Near the pier, 2 boats parked up here. They look the part. Nobody lives on that island. No flat land. Fishing boats. Interesting. I think I see our diesel ferry coming across now. Smoke in the water. It was a nice smooth ride across as I prepared to go to the Koh Samui airport and take my flight to Chiang Mai. Sometime tomorrow I was going to be reunited with my daughter and her husband. I'm sure we have some more adventures to do. And in 2018, we rented this beautiful spot. I'll post the link at the end of this video.
Can think in the car?
Yeah, so you put it on the dashboard?